Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the sync system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, let's just clear out of that. We want to go to something else. We'll go on CD. No CD. Okay, so from any screen, if we click phone, and you'll see that at the bottom there, add, BT and close. So that's add, that's BT, and that's close. Each instruction at the bottom corresponds to one of these four buttons. So we don't want add, we want BT, Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. And it's showing there my phone. That's the only one connected to it at the moment. And you've got again add, delete and connect. So you've got add, delete and connect. I'll just have to cancel that because another instruction's come up, but delete is the second one. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro, that's yes or no there, so we want yes. That's it. Great Ford system, nice and simple. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, let's just go back to CD. So CD, no CD in device. So from any screen, we go to phone. No phone's paired, please add a phone. So add and cancel. The instructions on the bottom correspond.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So I'll just make sure Bluetooth is on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom for sync. So sync's come up, we click sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
540829, 540829, and again, so I'll click pair there, and you've got yes at the left hand side, no at the right hand side. Yes corresponds to that button, which we'll click. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And that's it connected.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from a mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So what we do, we go to music, select a track that you want to play. I'm just going to turn this down at the moment, but if you see at the bottom the three circles and the triangle, if you click on there, you'll see you've got a choice between iPhone and sync. If the tick's next to iPhone, you just need to make sure sync is ticked. So this is playing. Let's just go back to it. So that's playing, but it's turned down. Now what we do with the radio playing or anything playing, you go to auxiliary. That's saying connect to USB device. So if you were to connect to USB device there, then that device would play through the speakers. However, we want Bluetooth. So we click aux again, and that's gone on to Bluetooth audio, and it's showing Tears for Fears there. Everyone wants to rule the world, and it's showing on there. So when I turn this up, let's see if I turn that up and then quickly blast it through there. I can't play it too long or else I'll get a copyright strike. But that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.